All right, well, we're up early this morning. It's about 4 o'clock. Came down to our favorite place, which is Maverick. And we are, you guys all remember the theft recovery Jeep that we got over to Leeds. So we have that thing loaded up on the old tilt bed with the D-Max, and we are headed to what we call the big city, headed up to northern Utah. He'll be happy to have his old Jeep back. He's been missing it for probably 4 months, so we'll take you along for the ride. Cars in the ditch everywhere.
That's about the 10th one we've seen. Here come the snow plows, 4 or 5 abreast in the southbound lanes.
Well, the party's on. Southern Utah no more. We're up in the snowy cold north, 27 degrees. You guys can keep it. We're gonna get back to southern Utah as quick as we can. We still got to get to Cottonwood Heights through all the drama. It looks like there's another big cluster up here. Cars everywhere. That guy's facing the wrong direction. Anyways, when I said we're going to take you along for the ride, hopefully we're going to keep the old D-Max and this trailer in the lane, because can you imagine? This guy's been without his Jeep for 4 or 5 months, and if I crash this thing and pile it up, he is going to be ticked. So we're gonna take it nice and easy. That guy's not, he's nuts. Anyways, what a party. We're gonna get stuck in this crap.
Black. Still recording?
Yeah, oh yeah. As long as that little light's flashing, it's recording. Oh, that guy gathered up.
Plowed into the sign, took the leg off of it. I was over trying to fix his pickup. Back on the road. All right, Casey, what's going on?
I swear, I think I just ran out of fuel in this stupid snowstorm.
We just come past the exit. Oh,
There's
great.
No way.
Come on, Duramax. Oh, great.
You can't be serious. I can't believe that just happened. This is not even funny. I do not want to get out of the car right here.
Well,
There's no way I'm out of fuel.
all right, Casey's getting it primed. Let's see if we can...
It's slick.
I can feel that. Okay, so we got it primed. It just died again.
Should I try priming it again, or should we just get unloaded?
All right, we're off. With the old Jeep towing us. Hopefully we can find some fuel someplace reasonably close. As up the road we go in this wonderful snowstorm. Utah County. All right, pulling in here to the gas pump. See if the old Jeep can get enough traction to pull us up here. All right, there's some motion lotion. Here we are. Okay.
That was so damn embarrassing. And then I get over there in that Jeep and the fuel light's on in it. I'm sure the guys that stole it probably sucked all the gas out of it. So here we are on the side of the road with that, what do you call it? The deer in the headlight look. How embarrassing is that to run out of fuel on I-15, literally 3 blocks from the Bowser, but we made it. We pulled out the old Factor 55 rope and the hard shackle and unloaded that. I'm gonna call it the loaner Jeep now, so it's my savior, and we're gonna get it loaded back on the trailer.
Hit her again, Casey. It's all wet. It's not wanting to stay on there. Nice.
You know, there's few things that are more embarrassing than that. And if all of you guys don't tell me that that's never happened to you, I'll call you a liar. That's so dumb. There it is. Back on. 25 gallons in a 23-gallon tank. We're doing good. All I know is I've done some dumb things in life. I've probably even done some dangerous things in life. But when your dumb becomes dangerous because you're on the freeway, I was just glad we had an alternate choice. But that Jeep didn't have any fuel in it either. Anyways, we'll be back on the road again. Get back out there in the mire. Get this thing up there to Cottonwood Heights. Old Nick's patiently waiting for us, so good times. You know, he's gonna sue me one of these days.
We use this song over and over.
I asked permission.
Trying to peer through the cloud.
Yeah, and we're gonna go home and it'll be 65 degrees. We'll be shredding our coats and throwing away our gloves.
Northbound. Well, as you can see, snowplows have not been on this section of the freeway, so we're driving on snowpack. Well, we made her. Now we'll get the old Jeep unloaded and delivered to the guy that belongs to it, wherever he is. Another exciting day in paradise.
think you got a little dust on that when it stuck it out the window. Got a little road grime on it.
And a mud.
All right, well, we're up to Cottonwood Heights. We made it up here to the old land of the snow. I don't know what the crap we're thinking on a day like today of all days, but it wasn't too bad of a snowstorm. The roads will be nice and clear headed home, I imagine, so we'll make sure we stop in Nephi and get fuel. I mentioned to Leon as we rolled through Nephi that we should stop and get fuel, and what I said is we should be adults and stop and get fuel. Well, that come back and bit me in the butt, so we're up here waiting for Nick to come down and all I know is if it's cold enough for your water to steam on your windows, it's too cold to be there.